Microsoft Defender, the default antivirus software on Windows computers, is designed to protect your computer from malware and other threats. However, it has received criticism for its impact on computer performance. A recent study by AV-Test examined Microsoft Defender's performance and revealed some noteworthy findings. On average, Microsoft Defender increased CPU usage by 10%, leading to noticeable slowdowns, particularly on older or less powerful machines. Furthermore, the study found that Microsoft Defender reduced battery life by an average of 15%, which can be problematic for users who rely on laptops for work or school. These performance issues stem from the way Microsoft Defender scans files. It scans all opened or executed files, which can be time-consuming, especially for large files. Consequently, the scanning process consumes a significant amount of CPU and battery power. To mitigate the performance impact of Microsoft Defender, you can take a few steps. One option is to disable real-time scanning, which scans files as they are opened or executed. However, this reduces the level of protection against malware. Another approach is to schedule scans for times when you are not actively using your computer. This allows Microsoft Defender to scan your computer without disrupting your work or leisure activities. Alternatively, you may consider using a different antivirus program. There are various free and paid options available that offer protection without the same performance impact as Microsoft Defender. Despite its performance issues, Microsoft Defender remains a capable antivirus program. It effectively detects and blocks malware and is free to use. Nevertheless, if you are concerned about performance, exploring alternative antivirus programs is worth considering. Let's delve into the pros and cons of Microsoft Defender. Pros: free, effective at detecting and blocking malware, easy to use, integrated with Windows. Cons: can negatively impact computer performance, less customizable compared to some other antivirus programs, fewer features compared to some other antivirus programs. Overall, Microsoft Defender is a good antivirus program. It is free, effective, and user-friendly. However, if performance impact is a concern for you, exploring alternative antivirus programs is advisable. Choosing the best Windows security program. The best Windows security programs provide comprehensive protection against a wide range of threats, such as viruses, malware, and ransomware. Additionally, they should be user-friendly and have minimal impact on system performance. In a recent evaluation by AV-Test, a reputable independent security testing lab, 14 Windows security programs were tested. 6 programs received the maximum score of 18 points. Avast, Avira, Bitdefender, G-Data, Kaspersky, Trend Micro. These programs offer excellent protection against various threats and have a minimal impact on system performance. Furthermore, they are user-friendly. 8 programs received an excellent score of 17.5 points. NLab, AVG, F-Secure, K7 Computing, Malwarebytes, McAfee, Norton, Protected.net. These programs also offer outstanding protection, are user-friendly, and have minimal impact on system performance. 3 programs earned a score of 17 points. ESET, Microsoft Defender, Microworld. While these programs provide good protection, they may not be as user-friendly or have as minimal impact on system performance as the higher-scoring programs. Ultimately, the best Windows security programs are those that offer comprehensive protection, are user-friendly, and have minimal impact on system performance. The programs mentioned above meet these criteria and are excellent choices for safeguarding your Windows computer against malware and other threats. When selecting a Windows security program, consider these additional factors. Price. Security software varies in cost, from free options to higher-priced subscriptions. Find a program that suits your budget. Features. Different security programs offer varying features. Consider which features are important to you, such as parental controls, a firewall, or a password manager. User interface. The user interface of a security program should be intuitive and easy to navigate. It should allow you to access settings quickly and effortlessly. Support. Security software companies provide different levels of support, ranging from 24/7 assistance to limited business hours. Choose a company that offers the support level you require. By considering these factors, you can choose the best Windows security program that meets your specific needs.